हमने 3 तारीख को एक कम्युनिकेशन किया था, my lord.
Not in Hindi.
My lord.
Aren't you an IAS officer?
Yes, my lord. I am.
You are not conversant with English language.
Yes, my lord.
Then why have you resorted to Hindi?
We
don't understand Hindi. We are not required to understand Hindi in a court.
Sorry, my lord. My lord, on 3rd.
And yes, we would have understood if somebody else would have come, not from an IAS officer.
No, my lord. That apology, my lord. It is. I have not understood that, my lord. That's why I have not approached, my lord.
You are not a layman. Don't say that you have not understood the consequences.
My lord.
You have not undergone the training.
My lord.
Have you undergone the training or not?
Yes, my lord.
You don't know the basic idea of a court proceeding. No, will hear you only if we want your assistance. We want to interact personally with him. There is no requirement of any legal assistance. He is a responsible officer.
That is there, my lord.
If he has got any problems with interacting in the court, then is he fit to hold the office?
But
we'll have your assistance if we want. Not at this stage.
Otherwise,
we wanted to have personal interaction with him.
We have
Mr. Chaudhary.
That is up to certainly up to your lordship.
No, if there is any disability, then definitely.
I leave it to your lordship.
There is no difficulty.
I absolutely leave it to your lordship. That is your lordship's discretion, my lord. I'm the last person.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. Have a seat. We'll come to you.
My lord, in this case, the director has filed an affidavit, my lord.
You act on telephonic instructions. You act on telephonic instructions.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I got the telephonic instructions.
You act on a telephonic instructions.
My lord, sometimes circumstances comes to, I have to work on telephonic conversation, my lord, because my farmers are suffering.
Circumstances is more important, or more, you have their priority is more than a court's order.
No, my lord, that I have violated, my lord. That
you are admitting of violation.
No, my lord, that was my error of judgment.
You take proper instructions. You have a counsel with you, senior counsel.
With your lordship's permission.
My lord.
See, we have not seen the affidavit, what you have stated.
Yes.
See, this is the contempt proceeding.
Hardly 15 minutes back.
We are contemplating whether to initiate contempt proceeding. We can inform you that unless your action is deliberate and intentional, then only we initiate. If you can make out a case that you have done it without understanding or without any intention, then we may not. We can drop this proceeding here. But your conduct.
No, my lord.
We have not seen the affidavit. Affidavit has been placed for us just now. 3-4 things have come up. There was an email,
my lord,
of 6th, which was with regard to a general procurement policy. It was not in connection with the present tender, number 1. Number 2, the email was not marked to you. It was not sent to you. It was sent to the SPD, State Project Director. State Project Director gave an official communication on 10th. Yeah. You are admitting that.
Yes, my lord.
You say that some Baljit had given you telephone instructions. You thought that it was circumstances which was very necessary. And on 6th itself, you issue the orders. There is an allegation on 6th you are on leave. You have said that you have cancelled the leave. There is also an allegation that 10th also you are on leave. The cancellation order is of 10th.
Yes, my lord.
What have you said of 10th?
My lord, entire proceeding not started on 6th itself, my lord. हमने 3 तारीख को एक कम्युनिकेशन किया था, my lord.
Not in Hindi.
My lord.
Aren't you an IAS officer?
Yes, my lord. I am.
You are not conversant with English language.
Yes, my lord.
Then why have you resorted to Hindi?
My lord, on 3rd of April, my lord, our assistant nodal officer initiated.
We don't understand Hindi. We are not required to understand Hindi in a court.
Sorry, my lord. My lord, on 3rd.
And yes, we would have understood if somebody else would have come, not from an IAS officer.
No, my lord. That apology, my lord. My lord, on 3rd of April, my lord, my assistant nodal officer initiated a note regarding we need to procure through alternate source of procurement. My lord, On the same day, my nodal officer also initiated. Then we have written to SPD area society, my lord. कि हमारे को we need to procure from alternate source of alternate source, my lord. After that, my lord, SPD initiated proceedings and SPD communicated to the World Bank, my lord. And because OPIU is a part of area society, my lord, on behalf of area society, we are working, my lord. And our problem was that, my lord, in area society, we are procuring at different rate. And in Assam marketing, Assam seed corporation rate, my lord, that was different, my lord. And entire initiative was discussed with our senior officials also, my lord. Then it was decided, my lord, we have to approach to World Bank. And under World Bank policy, my lord, procurement policy, there is a provision, my lord. That's why we have moved this to World Bank, my lord. And when we got the email from World Bank, my lord, I have confirmed it to same time on the to Mr. Baljit also and SPD also. SPD is Mr. Akashdeep, my lord. And he
Where is your statement that you have confirmed from the SPD?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
That is here written, my lord. I have written here, and he also confirmed, my lord. My lord, this is
Now, giving all benefit of doubt to you, there was a stay order from this court.
My
Let there
lord,
be a communication from the World Bank or whichever bank. Will you act against an order of this court?
no, my lord.
Don't you think that it was at least incumbent upon you to seek leave of this court or inform this court?
Yes, my lord. It is. I have not understood that, my lord. That's why I have not approached, my
Mr.
lord.
Gyani, you are not a layman. Don't say that you have not understood the consequences.
My lord.
You have not undergone the training.
My lord.
Have you undergone the training or not?
Yes, my lord.
You don't know the basic idea of a court proceeding.
My lord. I have I have gone through the.
It doesn't appear so.
My lord, it was not my intention was not there, my lord. My lord,
Your bona fide is not coming out.
My lord, to kindly come to page
I'm not seeing
372.
many bona fide in your submission.
my lord,
That is the problem.
my lord,
Otherwise,
lord-
you don't have so much of time. There are many other matters.
yeah, understood, my lord.
We want you to be here in the court.
My
But
lord,
at the same time, maintaining the dignity and majesty of the court is of paramount importance for us.
yes,
Otherwise, the system will go.
yes, my lord. My lord,
We need time to go by the affidavit. Yes, Chaudhary, we have not seen the affidavit.
And we would also like to file a reply.
You should have filed the affidavit at least yesterday. Give us time. He may not be, we can absolve him of any liability. But we have to need some time to go through this affidavit. But Professor, what Mr. Chaudhary has shown, we are not too much.
Your Lordship
happy.
permits me, my lord. He has perhaps not been able to explain himself. May I just take 5 minutes of your Lordship?
No, we'll hear you if that it be. What is it? Just in 2 minutes, what is it?
My lord, he really is my lord. I'm not saying it only because he is my client. As an officer of the court, I am also interested in upholding the majesty of this honorable court, my lord.
That we know, that we have full confidence.
My lord, if I may explain the situation. The one fact which has not been, even now he was unable to express, it is his lack of expressiveness. One basic fact which has not been brought to your Lordship's notice till now is, after extensive research, there are materials which I can place. In the state of Assam, 30th of April is the end date, the last date for maize seeds to be sown. Now, let us look at the sequence of events. On, my lord, 10th of February, the first repetition
I
is.
think you're going into the factual days. Please don't address on the factual days.
No. I'm
We
just.
are not too much interested in what was
even
the
I-
leading
I-
season, what
No,
is the sowing season.
I'm not.
What is the
I'm
urgency?
absolutely not entering into the marriage file. I will just place the orders, dates of the orders. This fact has a relevance. That is why I pointed out, my lord.
No, 30th may be the end. You come before this court, explain it to us.
Yes, he should
take
have
an
done
order,
it in a
take the
different
leave,
way.
Go ahead.
Yes.
So what is this kind of thing?
In fact, my lord,
There are two orders you may be aware of.
absolutely, absolutely.
First, we had said that it
My lord,
consider.
that is
consider
why
this what? Consider with this disability of the petitioner. On the same ground again, what is this kind of?
it was a
The
complete, my
intention
lord,
from the very initiation appears to be to somehow.
I
give it to
appreciate,
somebody.
I absolutely appreciate. I have meticulously gone
We'll
through
have
each
to
of
day after tomorrow.
My lord, fine.
You can file an affidavit by tomorrow.
Yes,
Tomorrow
I will
is
file tomorrow.
Mal.
the director agriculture would remain personally present on the next date.
We are deeply obliged.